Hello, this is Scott with Walk on My Path. Today I'm going to show you a little known trail to the North Bridge, the place where the revolution started. We're going to be going on the Reformatory Branch Trail. It follows the path of a former railroad established in 1873, which connected Lexington to Bedford and Concord. And they maintained passenger service until 1926, and they would take passengers, prisoners to the prison. Actually, that's why it's called the Reformatory Branch. And after 1926, they only took freight until about 1962, and the entire railroad branch was abandoned, and then eventually became this trail. The lumberyard, I'm not sure if it was here at that time or not. It would be very convenient. Here we have a Japanese knotwood control project. They've got this wire mesh down on the ground, and it's hopefully going to choke off the knotweed after a couple seasons, and then hopefully plant something that's native to the area. And there's a lot of people ride bikes on this trail, so you can see the paths the bikes have left. Back behind the lumberyard, and there used to be a small station, and it is no longer there. There's no remnants of it. I'm not sure what happened to the station, but you can see it. There is a large clearing. It was likely back here somewhere. And this is a nice, easy trail if you just stay on the Reformatory Trail. We're gonna take a side trail, like I said, to the North Bridge, and it is a little more difficult. But if you wanted to just do an easy trail, you could stay on this one. Okay, so here we go. There is some old farm equipment here. Not sure what this is. Put it in the notes or the comments if you know what this was used for at some point. And if you like these videos, please subscribe. It helps me out a lot. So this path can get very wet, and so it's not always passable due to mud or ice, and so we'll do our best to make it all the way. And check out these big trees. Amazing. So now we're starting to see the Concord River over here to our left. an old stone fence marking the boundaries of the property. And you can see this really is wetland. Some trees have came down, and this tree looks like it fell west, so make you think it's maybe the wind coming out of the east, which we do get a lot of winds coming from the east, and if there's storms. And here's where it becomes difficult. The ice is too thin, and I'm gonna try making it across this log. I definitely go places that most of you probably wouldn't go. Here we go, we're back on the trail. And here we are, we're coming up on the North Bridge. You can see it off in the distance there. Imagine if you were just walking up this way as either a British soldier or as one of the patriots, one of the farmers taking up arms. So up there is the old manse, and the Emersons lived there as well as the Hawthorns. It's could be a video on its own. And over here we have a boathouse. And we can get a better view of the old North Bridge. So this is it. This is where the revolution started. And we started turning the British soldiers back and pushing them out. And the Emersons, Ralph Waldo Emerson's grandfather, was up at his family, were watching out the windows of the old manse there. They watched the battles at the beginning of the revolution. Can you imagine?